Hello friends, today we are going to study osteosarcoma and I will describe it in very brief. So in order to write exam, it will help you in writing exam. I will describe only in brief so that you don't have to see details. Okay, so let's start with the basic things. So first is it is an osteoblastic tumor, and it is a bone forming tumor. So it has bimodal age distribution. Primary is 10 to 20 years, secondary is 20 to 40 years, and most common cause of secondary osteosarcoma is Paget's disease. It is the most common malignant bone tumor in childhood, most common malignant bone tumor in second decade. It is the most common bone tumor due to radiation exposure. The most common location is femur. Other locations are tibia and humerus. The most common means the location of the osteosarcoma is metaphyseal. It's the most radio-resistant tumor. Lung micromets are usually present in most patients, and it presents as pneumothorax sometimes. X-ray appearance would be sunburst appearance and Codman's triangle, which is elevated periosteum. The investigation we have to do is biopsy, CT scan lung, and bone scan. Treatment is neoadjuvant chemotherapy for the micrometastasis, surgery, limb ablation surgery with 10 cm safe margin, sometimes limb salvage surgery, and chemotherapy, that is methotrexate, endoxin, and many other drugs are described in the textbook, but not very much necessary. Gross pathology is fleshy gray mass, and clinical features that the patient presents with is pain that is boring and constant, swelling in the leg, and sometimes with pathological fracture. Now, examination of the swelling will show that there is a swelling in the metaphysis, and the margins of the swelling are not well defined, and sometimes the mobility of the joint is restricted. Okay, so this was just in brief, and it will help you, I hope.